Hey everybody, you gotta see this. Come with me. This backyard is so big, it's like having your own private park. It backs onto a huge ravine for total privacy. You've got the Niagara Escarpment over here with the Bruce Trail. This location is amazing and I love the house too. Come on in and check it out. Just look at this front landscaping. Tens of thousands of dollars has gone into making this one of the nicest homes on one of the best streets in the whole city. Not only is this home beautiful inside and out, but the location is amazing. It's a quick walk to downtown and Battlefield Park. The schools in the area are fantastic, and it's easy access to any highway you could need. This is the home that your family would love to live in.